Then, in ecological succession, there are the steps. First step we have seen nudation, then invasion. Second step is invasion. In first step, what happens? So new area is formed. In that new area, new community is formed. That is nudation, formation of the open area or bare area. On that open area, new community is formed. In second step, invasion, entry of the new organism, new community, new plants in a particular area. That is formation of the community that may occur. That this invasion that may occur or that may be completed by these three steps by migration, SSEs, and aggregation. In migration, what happens? There is a transfer of the genetic load from one place to another place in the form of seeds, spores, and propagules. In a new area by winds, water, and wind, water, and animals. Is the migration. SSEs that new migrants or new community that will adjust with the new climate and establishment occur. This SSEs. For SSEs, there is a aggregation. Aggregation that may occur due to increase in the number of individuals by colonization and reproduction. In third step, competition and coaction between the communities, between the plant communities that may occur. In fourth step, reaction, modification of the environment through effect of the living organisms. There may be changes in the soil properties, water conditions, properties of the water, light conditions, temperature of the environment. Then fifth step is the stabilization of the community. The community becomes stable and permanent community. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Stabilized community or climax community of ecological succession. These are the 5 steps. समजलं? Ecological succession. That is shown in this image. Plant community, how this community is formed. There is the image. See this. In case of in the water, in pond water ecosystem and in grassland ecosystem. In both the cases, this ecological succession is shown in this image. See this. So on grassland ecosystem, on the ground and in the water, how these plants are grown, it is shown here. So the steps जे आता आपण पाहिले, nudation, invasion, then competition and coaction, reaction, and stabilization. That is shown here. The first step, initially seeds are applied in the ground. First step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In water, initially the plants first seeds are applied. The growth is less here. The root in the soil, the seeds are applied here. Then after some time, after application of water, they will grow. Here, in fourth step, the plant is grown. In fifth step, in first step का है nudation. The area is open land or bare area. On that open land, these plants will grow. They are the roots of these plants. Okay. In this water also it is shown. First step. The roots of the plants are shown, or the plants in the water. First step, second step. In second step, certain growth is certain growth of that plant is done. Then third step, first nudation. पहिल्यांदा काय होतं nudation, त्यानंतर invasion, entry of the new plants, new communities form due to migration, SSCs and aggregation. दाखवलं step, second step. Third step मध्ये काय होतं competition and coaction. Fourth step मध्ये दाखवलं पहा competition and coaction between the plant communities. Then fourth step, reaction. They will adjust with the environment. Reaction, there will be changes in the soil properties, water, temperature, humidity. So they adjust with the environment. Then in fifth step, stabilization. Sixth step, stabilization. Seventh step, sixth and seventh step. How this growth of the plants will occur. Seventh step, plant is grown fully. Stabilization is done. Climax is stabilized community. Climax means stabilization. Last step is the stabilization. It starts from nudation, invasion, competition and coaction, reaction and stabilization. Last step is stabilization. So this is the last step in this plant succession. The ecological succession. It is shown in this image. So after stabilization, these plants may they get decayed and new plants will be grown. These plants are replaced by new plants that may occur due to these trees may be destroyed or deforestation may be done due to several reasons, and new plants will grow in a new area. So this one community is replaced by new community, that is known as plant succession. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Ecological succession. ते पाण्यामध्ये सुद्धा ग्रोथ कसं होते ते इथे दाखवलेलं आहे पहा. In pond water ecosystem, both the ecosystem, in case of pond water ecosystem and grassland ecosystem, आपण दोन टाइप्स पाहिले. Types of ecosystem, in case of water, in the water as well as in on the ground. How this succession will occur, it is shown in this image. आता आपण steps पाहिले. 5 steps. These are the 5 steps of the ecological succession. A diagram more you can understand from this diagram how this succession will occur. समजलं का? Any difficulty in this ecological succession? So this plant succession has two types: primary succession and secondary succession. The first type of succession is the primary succession. The primary succession, the succession will start on a bare area. Nudation on an open area, new communities form, new plant community will form. The succession which starts from which starts on a bare area, and one that was not occupied previously by any vegetation. That is known as primary succession. It is the formation of the new community. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Primary succession. In primary succession, growth of ecosystem that takes place gradually over long period of the time. For a certain period of time, the growth of the plants may occur. It is known as primary succession. In this primary succession, the old community is replaced by new community. So it is divided into primary succession and secondary succession. In primary succession, what happens? The new plants will grow, new communities form. Primary succession. So the example of this primary succession, that is on a new land, new area, new communities form. That may due to topographical factors, climatic factors, and biotic factors. जे आता आपण पाहिले invasion मध्ये. What happens in inundation? How bare areas form, open land is formed. That is due to topographical factors. That may due to soil erosion, deposition of the sand, landslides, volcanic eruption, or due to climatic factors, due to changes in the environment, or destruction of the vegetation, or rainfall, or formation of the glaciers, frost, or due to fire. Then due to biotic factors, due to disease and pest attacks, destruction of the forest, grasslands, or construction of the new houses, buildings, roads, the new area, that land becomes open area. So these are the example of formation of the new community. How the bare area is formed, how this primary succession will occur. So this, in the primary succession, new area is formed. That may be due to volcanic eruption and cooling of the lava. When volcanic eruption takes place, the land due to the whole land due to volcanic eruption. After volcanic eruption, after cooling of the lava, that land becomes the original land, or old land that will be replaced by new land. New area is formed, open land is formed. On that open area, new plants will be grow. In this new land, that will be barren without any living organism. There will be no plants. When the area becomes open land, new plants will grow on that new land. So this is a primary succession. Primary succession that may occur on a new land. So that is called inundation. Then invasion. New plants will grow and they will migrate, or they will aggregate. So that new plants that grow at first time, initially they will grow. In that case, they are said to be pioneers, or they are said to be primary community. When in this growth of the plants in a new area, the new communities form. The community is called primary community, or it is called primary colonizers, or they are called pioneers. Okay. So this is known as primary succession. समझ लो primary succession म्हणजे काय? Next lecture we'll see the secondary succession. The time is over. Next lecture we'll see secondary succession.